A perfect trading strategy trading with pocket option, utilizing the advanced features of the Binary Sniper Pro version 3 indicator. This innovative indicator is coded to provide traders with positive results and facilitate highly favorable trades. By using it into your trading strategy, you can benefit significantly, allowing you to make informed trading decisions based on the trading signals that are alerted through Metatrader IV. We've received a trading alert from our Metatrader IV platform. The AUD-USD pair has triggered a sell alert confirmation. As observed, this appears to be a strong trading opportunity. The indicator has identified a reversal, based on its specific parameters. Let's proceed and execute the trade for a lower position. Ensure that you trade with regular currencies and avoid OTC assets. Good result on that. We've received another alert. Let's take a look at our Metatrader IV platform. CAD-JPY has triggered a buy signal alert. Let's check its pocket option chart to view the actual trading data. As we can see, the trend shows a strong downtrend, leaving a long candle trail and presenting a high possibility for reversal at this point. Let's trade directly without hesitation. We will wait for the trade to finish. The trade is going down, but don't worry. We will triple our trade and use the martingale method to recover our initial trade. We received an alert from our Metatrader IV, indicating a buy signal for AUD-JPY. Based on the chart analysis, this appears to be an optimal spot for a trade, anticipating an upward movement. We use the 5-second candles to monitor candlestick patterns and determine whether the asset is tradable or shifting toward a reversal. Got great trading results from that trade. And also for our AUD-JPY pair. Always remember to invest only what you can afford to lose. This method is perfect for 1-minute duration with the pocket option broker. The alert signal is easy to use. Check the description below for instructions on how to download and install the indicator. CAD-JPY got buy alert confirmation. Let's trade with it, since it creates a reversal pattern here. See the rest of the video to get latest updates and trading tutorials with pocket option and other trading brokers.
You